Globalization has made the world smaller, but it has not made it safe. Wars are multiple, they have many faces. We see civil war in Syria, we see in Georgia that guns have grown silent, but the causes of war remain.
As the first in continental Europe, the Centre for War Studies at the University of Southern Denmark unites researchers from various academic disciplines to study all aspects of wars. It serves as an important basis for the master's program in international security and law.
In the past, victory used to mean military superiority. But today, victory comes with the provision of human security, with a comprehensive toolbox. It is no longer a question of killing people. We must outgovern our opponents. To do so, we need new experts. With our master's program, we educate these experts. Experts who can make peace possible. They will be trained to study how power, law, and ethics shape peace.
It offers you and it develops very much of your analytical skills, because you are taught to think in very different ways, to provide different points of view and to analyze stuff and to broaden your mind, you know. So it's very, very useful, and it would be useful, I think, in any type of job.
To educate these experts, we need new knowledge. That's why we set up a Center for War Studies, which is innovative.
It is an international course with an international thematic focus on international security and law. There is an international need for the skills that we provide our students with, and the students themselves are international. We have students from Ethiopia, from the Baltic, from Chile, Denmark obviously, all over the world really, and that gives a fantastic dynamic in the teaching environment but also in the learning environment. So I think the uniqueness is that international field. Also the teaching team is a Danish teaching team, but we're educated internationally, so again we have quite different dynamics between us.
The program is unique, and I think that reflects on the students, because they've all made a deliberate choice to join this program. And that again reflects on the classroom situation. In my experience, I've never seen a classroom with such degree of participation. It's a challenge for everyone, for me, for the students, but the benefits are immense.
What I'm really excited about in this master's program is that I'm able to understand warfare, the parts of warfare, the political aspect, the war itself, but also the peace process which follows afterwards.
It used to be said that war studies were for military folks, but we believe that war studies is for everyone who takes an interest in international order and security. It is who we are, and we look forward to engaging you in our effort to grasp war and the conditions for peace.